Okay, so I took some pictures of slides taken from chicken blood and tilapia blood. Dr. Mahaika did pork, beef, and dairy, and she found Microtech in those. And so I chose to take a look at chicken and fish. Okay, so all pictures were taken at 200x magnification. This is tilapia. It's just a slightly blue hydrogel pocket, two of them here within the tilapia blood. Just a smaller one with thinner walls, again light blue. There's a Microtech tire found in tilapia blood. So I didn't use any dye in any of the pictures I took today. All the pictures shown today were at 200x magnification. In fact, all the videos I've made are at 200x magnification. This is just another piece of light blue hydrogel found in the tilapia. A folded ribbon found in the tilapia, purchased at a supermarket. Okay, let's move on to the chicken. This was found in a chicken. I checked out the blood of two different chickens. One was free range, purchased close to me. The guy that raised it said it was between 2 and 3 months old. And then I bought store-bought chicken, and I found a lot less Microtech in the store-bought chicken than I did in the free-range chicken, maybe because I was exposed to more crap sprayed in the air. But this is just a hydrogel pocket within the chicken. These are tires found in the chicken blood. These here are imperfections in the cover slip. It's always important to put a cover slip on the slide and look at it under the microscope without any blood so you can tell what an imperfection is. This is a pretty elaborate folded ribbon found in chicken blood. You can see the wires and the microchip on it. Okay, so that's all for the chicken and the fish. It's hard to tell, what's the most contaminated because all the meat I've looked at has been contaminated. The chicken and beef samples I looked at were fairly watered down. They were mixed in with a lot of other body fluids, it looks like. It was just diluted, but in the tilapia, the blood was really thick and there was a lot more Microtech in the tilapia. But because the blood samples I took were so different, I really can't tell what had the most. Although with the chicken, I can definitely say that the free-range chicken seemed to have more Microtech than the store-bought chicken. Really surprising. But this is a huge folded ribbon I found in my own blood. All the pictures I'm going to show you are from the same folded ribbon. I mean, it's so big, I'm really surprised it could pop out of a hole in my finger. But it's just massive. And this is what my blood's looking like these days. Weeks ago, this was only stuff like this was only found in people's blood who took the potion in the deltoid muscle. You can see the hydrogel's breaking off and probably forming the folded ribbons. And you can see these spaces here where there are no red blood cells. At first you see spaces, and then it morphs into white hydrogel, and then it turns into light blue hydrogel, which is what these are. And then, of course, those that took the potion have a dark blue hydrogel in them. I mean, I wonder what percent of my blood is now hydrogel. It's just really difficult to take a guess, maybe 10 or 15%. And of course, I'm seeing that in everyone, regardless of whether they took the potion or not. So as a disclaimer, this is provided for entertainment purposes only. It could be seen as fiction, but I take it very seriously. And that's all, folks.